The $math $47,777 texting feature in Expensify is a simple, effective method for users to submit expenses via text message directly to their account. This feature is designed for on-the-go professionals who need to quickly record a cash expense or mileage without opening the full application. It's a key part of Expensify's approach to making expense management as fast and pain-free as possible. To use the feature, you simply open your phone's text messaging app and send a message to the number 47777. The content of the text message determines what kind of expense is created. For instance, to log a cash expense, you would text the amount and a brief description. A message like $math $15.50 lunch with client instantly creates an expense entry for $math $15.50 in your account, with lunch with client as the merchant name or description. For recording mileage, the process is similar but uses keywords. You can text $math $10 miles or $math $16 km to log a trip. Expensify then calculates the cost based on your company's or the standard mileage rate. The primary advantage is speed and convenience. Imagine you pay for parking with cash or complete a quick business drive. You can record the expense immediately without the hassle of a mobile app, especially in areas with poor internet connection. It's a foundational tool for ensuring that no small expense is forgotten. By removing friction, Expensify encourages timely and accurate expense submission, which ultimately saves time for both the employee and the accounting team. This text-to-expense method is one of the distinct features that defines the platform's commitment to automation. It turns a simple text into a compliant expense report item.